Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with the class 10th topic, first chapter, that is real numbers. That is real number. What do you mean by real numbers? Real number is a combination of rational plus irrational numbers. It is a combination of two. Rational numbers and irrational numbers both comes together and make real numbers. In a simple words, we can say that all the numbers are including in real numbers. Integers are also there. All the numbers are also included in this rational plus irrational. Now, in the first chapter of class 10th, our first concept is Euclid division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. What is that lemma? Actually, Euclid is a mathematician. He find out so many theorems, lemmas, and their one lemmas is related to the division, and he gives the name of a name as it is Euclid division lemma. Okay, what is that lemma? This lemma is used to find the HCF of two numbers. What is this lemma? Lemma says that let A and B are two positive numbers, then there exist C and D such that A is equals to BQ plus R. He also given the condition R should lie between 0 to B. It may be equals to 0 because it is a remainder. Remainder is it can be equals to 0 but never be equals to B. Okay? In simple words, we can say that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, remainder. This the whole term we have already studied in small classes in class 6th, 7th. Now this is changed into the two numbers into the division lemma. And what is the algorithm? Euclid's division algorithm. Algorithm means method. Division, Euclid division algorithm. Algorithm means how to find what is division algorithm, that is method, and why it is used? It is used to obtain HCF of two numbers to any two number, say C and D. Okay. First step 1. Apply Euclid's division lemma. So we will get C is equals to DQ plus R, right? Now step 2, we have to check the remainder. Second step, we have to check the remainder. If R is equals to 0, then D is HCF. Okay. And the second case, if R not equals to 0, then we will apply Euclid division lemma on D and R. Okay. Step 3. Continue till the remainder is equals to 0 and divisor at this stage is HCF. Okay, this is HCF. Now this concept, the theory portion will not be opted by the student if the question is not solved. ठीक है, तो we will have one question on the basis of these Euclid division lemma, how we can find the HCF of two number by using these Euclid division lemma. Let us suppose we have two numbers. Let us suppose we have two numbers to find the HCF. The question is find question, that is example, find HCF of 135 and 225 by Euclid division lemma. So how we can find? I have in my mind when we are kids, our teachers teach us to find the method to find the HCF. What is that method? We have the small numbers outside and big number inside the divisions, and when we divide it, I will get 0, 9, 135. Again I will divide the 90 by the greater number which comes inside here. 90 ones are 90. Then I have again 45. Now this comes outside, it behave like a divisor and dividend become 90, and this comes to. In a small classes our teacher tell us this is a HCF, but in the Euclid division lemma we can write it into the Euclid division lemma's form. What is that? 225 is equals to 135 into 1 plus 90. The remainder is not 0. So you have to do again the division. The division is in front of you. 135 is equals to 90 into 1 plus 45. 90 into 1 plus 45. The remainder is again not 0. Then apply this for the third step. 90 is equals to 45 into 2 plus 0. Now the remainder is 0. This is HCF. Therefore HCF is 45. This is the way to find the HCF by using Euclid division lemma. Thank you.